Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights and a restore point. This lets you roll back if something breaks. Open Device Manager and identify the exact adapter name so you download the matching driver. Once done, disconnect non-essential USB devices and note whether Windows 7 is 32 or 64-bit because driver packages differ. Make sure you have another internet source or downloaded drivers ready. This prevents delays when network access drops. Now proceed to the core fixes. Right-click the adapter and try Update Driver. Point to your downloaded driver folder so Windows installs the correct package. If problems started after an update, use Rollback Driver to revert to the prior version. When that fails, uninstall the device and optionally check Delete Driver Software for this device to remove corrupted packages. Reboot afterward. Windows will attempt to detect and reinstall the adapter, which often clears driver conflicts and broken installs. Finish with advanced steps. Install the motherboard chipset driver first, then vendor LAN or Wi-Fi drivers. Use WHQL signed versions when possible because they reduce compatibility issues. Next, open an elevated command prompt and run netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset. Reboot to apply changes and clear corruption in the network stack. If problems persist, plug a known working USB network adapter or boot a live Linux USB to determine if the NIC hardware has failed. This single troubleshooting tip usually tells you whether to repair or replace.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.